Do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Today our topic is coal companies of India. Part 2. Northeastern Coalfields, Odisha Coal and Power Limited, Singareni Collieries Company Limited, Southeastern Coalfields, Western Coalfields. Northeastern Coalfields is a unit of Coal India Limited, which has its headquarters in Margherita in Assam. The unit came into existence in 1975 after nationalization of coal mines in India. It took over the private mines operating in the northeastern states of India and present has mines operating in states of Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. At present, there are 5 working mines, 3 underground and 2 open cast mines. Odisha Coal and Power Limited is a coal mining company owned by Government of Odisha. It was incorporated under the Companies Act 2013 on 20 January 2016. It has been allotted with 2 coal blocks in the state of Odisha by the Ministry of Coal, Government of India, namely Manoharapur and Deepside of Manoharapur coal blocks in Sundargarh district of Odisha. OCPL is a joint venture company of Odisha Power Generation Corporation Limited and Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited. Type: state-owned enterprise public company. Industry: coal mining. Founded 20 January 2015. Headquarters: Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India. Key people: Vishnu Padasethi, Chairman. Ksheeraj Chandra Brahma, CEO in charge. Products: non-coking coal. Services: coal mine development and coal production. Website: www.ocpl.org.in. Singareni Collieries Company Limited, a government-owned coal mining company in India, one of the public sector undertaking. The company is jointly owned by the Telangana government 51% and the Union government 49%. The Union government's administration of the company is through Ministry of Coal. SCCL is currently operating 48 mines, where 19 open cast and 29 underground mines in 6 districts of Telangana. SCCL is contributing 9.2% in the all India domestic production. Since inception 1889, 1.36 billion tons of coal is existed by SCCL and it has proved reserves of 10.84 billion tons of coal. Type: public sector undertaking, government owned. Founded 1920 December 23. Headquarters: Kottagudem, Bhadradri District, Telangana. Area served: 350 kilometers of Pranahita Godavari Valley of Telangana State, covering 6 districts. Key people: Shri N. Sridhar, IAS, Chairman and MD. Products: coal mining and power. Number of employees: 48,942. Website: www.scclmines.com. Southeastern Coalfields Limited is the largest coal producing company of India. It is a Mini Ratna company and one of 8 fully owned subsidiaries of Coal India Limited. 92 mines spread over Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, 70 underground, 21 open cast and 1 mixed. It is a Scheduled B Mini Ratna CPSE in coal and lignite under the administrative control of Ministry of Coal. The company came into existence in 1985 when the Government of India decided to bifurcate a part of coal mines held by Western Coalfields Limited into new company called Southeastern Coalfields Limited, along with the Central Coalfields Limited, which was bifurcated into Northern Coalfields Limited for administrative purpose. Type: state-owned enterprise public company. Industry Mining, founded 1985, headquarters Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, India. Area served India. Key people AP Panda, Chairman and MD. Products coal. Owner Government of India. Parent Coal India Limited. Western Coalfields Limited is one of the 8 subsidiary companies of the India Limited, which is under administrative control of Ministry of Coal. The company incorporated under the Companies Act 1956 has its registered office at Coal Estate, Civil Lines, Nagapur. WCL has been confirmed Miniratna status on 15th March 2018. The company has contributed about 6.7% of the national coal producing during 2014-15. It has mining operations spread over the state of Maharashtra in Nagapur, Chandrapur and Yotmal districts and Madhya Pradesh, Bichwal and Chindwara districts. The company is a major source of supplies of coal to the industries located in Western India in the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and also Southern India in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. A large number of powerhouses under Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Electricity boards are major consumers of its coal along with cement, steel, chemical, fertilizer, paper and brick industries in the state. Mr. Rajiv Rajan Mishra is the present chairman cum managing director of Western Coalfields. The total production of the Western Coalfields Limited stood at 41.15 metric tons during 2014-15 against 39.73 metric tons during 2013-14, an increase of 3.6%. The firm has set up 3 new coal products of 7 metric tons per annum capacity during 2014-15 and has set a target to establish 10 new coal projects of 16.62 metric ton per annum capacity during the 2015-16. The company has revised its target from 60 megatons to 100 megatons by end of the 2020. On 6th June 2020, Western Coalfields starts 3 mines in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, Hadasa mines in Nagapur and 2 mines in Chindwara, Sharda mines in Kanan area. Thank you everyone. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like the video, share with your friends. I would like to say thanks to who are giving some suggestions to me to do videos. N. Suresh Anna, K. Sai Suman, M. Kranti Kumar, M. Suresh, N. Ranjit, R. Chandra Kumar, H. Sumitra and all my subscribers. Thank you.